Alright, so if you have a problem with the Galaxy machine when you press the handle down, timer finished, and the press doesn't automatically opens. Yeah, so all you need to do is just switch off the machine, and then you need to just add pressure. You need to get to a point when you're trying to close the handle and there is still a gap here in between, and when you push it all the way down you should feel some resistance, and when you let go the press should automatically open. Alright, so I'll just power on the machine. I'll just set it for like 5 seconds. So there you go. So for example, I'll show you again. If you don't have enough pressure, obviously the press will just not automatically open. So all you need to do again, just add a little bit more pressure, feel resistance, close it down, that's it.